enjoy life sciences, maths and technology? Would you enjoy collecting data on the age, size and the health of trees? Do you like to work outdoors? Would you like to use computers and technology to map and gather info about natural areas? Are you a good team player with the ability to work on your own? If you have said yes to these questions, the occupation of forestry technician might be for you. Forestry technicians work as members of forestry management teams, which manage the use and development of forests and their natural resources. They carry out a large variety of duties, which are centered around the managing of the forest life cycle. Each forest area is managed with a particular objective in mind. Because the management plan for each area differs, the nature of the technician's jobs varies considerably. Silviculture managers and assistants operate and manage tree nurseries where forest tree seedlings are grown. Forestry technicians are involved with the planting of trees to replace those that have been harvested or lost to disease or fire. They oversee the process of tending and caring for the young trees. They may supervise the forest workers who are involved in tree planting. Some technicians work in land management. They locate boundary lines and prepare maps or surveys. They choose and manage the preparation of sites to be planted. The technicians are responsible for monitoring the growth and development of the newly reforested areas. They supervise controlled burns to clear brush and create fire breaks between stands of trees. Should a forest fire break out, these technicians will work with or oversee the firefighters. A large number of forestry technicians work in procurement. They contact forest owners and negotiate the purchase of standing timber for a sawmill or a wood product manufacturer. This process involves measuring the volume of standing trees to establish the harvestable wood content. Once the agreement between the landowner and the company has been negotiated, a contract is signed. The forestry technician subcontracts logging companies to cut the timber. The technician acts as a project manager and liaises with the forest owner and subcontractors to ensure that the work is efficiently carried out. The forestry technician ensures that national environmental regulations are adhered to during the project. Forestry technicians who work in woodland and natural forest management are conservation and ecology workers. They work to balance the conservation of forest ecosystems with the need to use forest resources for recreational or economic purposes. The focus of these technicians is the management of natural forests, maintenance of soil and water quality and stability, management of forest wildlife, and the general sustainability of the area. They find ways to make the forest economically viable through activities other than tree harvesting. This may involve the creation of camping and recreational sites. In order to become a forest technician, a national diploma in forestry is required. Forest technicians are employed by the government, by forestry engineering or environmental companies. Progression usually involves obtaining a postgraduate qualification in an area of forest management. Forest technicians may advance in their career to managerial duties or after obtaining postgraduate qualifications.